Hey everyone, this is Ronak Ahuja. I welcome you all again. Today I am here to discuss with you some really important information regarding the due dates of tax compliances for the month of May 2025. Staying updated regarding the due dates becomes really important not only to avoid interests or penalties but also to ensure smoother financial functioning of the business. Not only that, it helps you get a peace of mind as well. Thus, ensuring timely compliance of the tax due dates becomes really important for us. So with this video, let me bring to you the due dates that fall in the month of May 2025 so that you don't fall behind. Let's begin. As you can see in this monthly tax compliance calendar, there are exactly 4 crucial due dates in the month of May 2025. 7th of May, 15th of May, 30th of May and the 31st of May. Let's one by one quickly have a look at the tax compliances that need to be observed on each of these due dates. So there are 2 crucial tax compliances that need to be observed on the 7th of May. The first one being depositing the tax deduction at source that have been made in the month of April. All such taxes that have been deducted at source in the month of April will have to be deposited to the credit of central government by the 7th of May. The second one is all the declarations received in Form 27C by the seller of specified goods from the buyers requesting not to collect tax at source. Such declarations will have to be submitted to the tax authorities by the 7th of May. Next is 15th of May. There are 4 crucial tax compliances to be made on the 15th of May. Out of these 4, 3 include issuing of tax deduction certificates to the tax deductees for which tax had been deducted in the month of March 2025. These sections include Section 194IA, 194M and 194S. Wherever any TDS has been deducted under Section 194IA, 194M and 194S in the month of March 2025, then in such a case, the last date to issue TDS certificates for such deductions will be the 15th of March. So these were 3 tax due dates. The fourth one is filing of TCS return for the quarter ending March 2025. Wherever TCS has been deducted during the quarter January, February and March, that is March quarter, then in such a case, the last date to file the TCS return in Form 27EQ would be 15th of May. So these were the tax compliances to be observed on the 15th of May. So moving on to 30th May. Here there are 6 tax compliances to be made. Where in case TDS has been deducted in the month of April 2025 under Section 194IA, 194IB, 194M and 194S, then in such a case, such TDS will have to be deposited with the central government by the 30th of May. Remember, 194IA deals with TDS on sale of immovable property, 194IB deals with rent on immovable property on which TDS is to be deducted by the individual or HUF, 194M deals with payment to contractors or subcontractors by the individual or HUF for personal use, 194S deals with TDS on virtual digital assets sale. Moving on to the fifth one. The last date to issue TCS certificates for TCS deducted during the period January to March 2025 would be 30th of May. Since the return was filed by the 15th of May, hence within the next 15 days, the TCS certificates are required to be issued. Thus, the last date to issue TCS certificates for quarter ending March 2025 would be 30th of May. 30th May is also the last date to submit statement by the producers of cinematographic films under Section 285B. Moving on to 31st of May. 31st May is the last day to file TDS returns for the quarter ending 31st of March 2025. This means all the TDS that has been deducted during the months January, February and March 2025, the TDS returns for the same will have to be filed by 31st of May. Additionally, 31st May is also the last date to furnish statements in Form 61A and 61B. Form 61A is nothing but a statement of specified financial transactions which is required to be submitted as per Section 285 BA subsection 1. Likewise, Form 61B is nothing but a statement that is required to be submitted under Section 285B A subsection 1 clause K. So these are some of the important deadlines that you need to follow in the month of May. Please ensure that you meet all these deadlines well within time to avoid any interest or penal charges in case of non-compliance. In case you couldn't follow, please remember to give us a feedback in the comments section or mail us at talklevies@gmail.com. Thank you and stay tuned.